Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you add music on your Facebook profile. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. Then you have to click on your profile icon present at the top right corner of your screen. Now from here, click on the option that says edit profile. Now you have to scroll down towards the end and click on the option that says edit your about info. Now again, scroll down to the music options and click on the add music option. Now from here, you very simply have to click on the plus icon. So now you can very easily add any music that you want on your Facebook profile. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.